Hi, my name is Rahul Srivastav, and in today's video we are going to learn something on operating ratio. Now, operating ratio is also one of the most important ratios when you are appraising a proposal. So, in today's video we are going to minutely learn and understand the concept behind this ratio. So, first and foremost, welcome to the channel, and let us straight away move to the topic. So, when it comes down to operating ratio, we can say that under this head of operating ratio, operating cost, we can say that operating cost is compared with what? Operating cost is compared with net sales, and we have already appreciated in our previous video of gross profit ratio that what does this net sales means. Okay, now you will ask me, okay, I understood that operating costs को हम compare करते हैं net sales के साथ, but ये operating cost होता क्या है? So friends, operating cost is nothing but cost of goods sold plus other operating expenses Now this is clear to you? Okay, so this you just note it down that it is nothing but cost of goods sold plus other operating expenses is our operating cost. Now you will ask me, then what does this cost of goods sold means? Is it different for manufacturing firm and is it different for non-manufacturing firm? So yes, your answer is your question is correct. What does cost of goods sold mean is different for the two different firms. Now let us understand the difference between the two. Now here we have you can see here we have one manufacturing firm and we have non-manufacturing firm. So for manufacturing firm, the cost of goods sold would mean raw material consumed plus manufacturing expenses. But for non-manufacturing firm, it would mean opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses and minus closing stock. So these are the two things which comes under manufacturing firm and for non-manufacturing firm. So I request you to note this down somewhere for your reference. Now again next question comes. Okay sir, you told us about this, but what does other operating expenses mean? Okay, so the other operating expenses is nothing but we can say that other operating expenses is nothing but admin expenses and selling distribution expenses Okay, so these are the two things which could be included under other operating expenses. Now let us understand this operating ratio concept by an example. So let us suppose that raw material consumed for any entity is 60. Okay, manufacturing expenses, let us suppose would be 10. Now what would be the admin expenses? Let us suppose would be 5, and sales, it is not the net sales. Okay, the gross sales is 100, and let us suppose sales return is 10. Okay, now based on this we have to calculate the operating ratio. This you will get, this you can you will come across when you are appraising a proposal. Now suppose this is the data which is given to you in the proposal. Now you need to calculate the operating ratio, operating cost, and ultimately you need to calculate the operating ratio. So first and foremost, we will understand what is the operating cost for this. So therefore we can write operating cost for this. Operating cost for this would be, what would be the operating cost? So friends, operating cost would be what? Okay, operating cost would be nothing but raw material consumed. See, raw material consumed is 60, so we can write 60 plus what are the manufacturing expenses? What are the manufacturing expenses? See, manufacturing expenses is 30. We have appreciated before. You can see here that when it comes to manufacturing firm, we need to calculate two things: raw material consumed and manufacturing expenses. See, raw material consumed and manufacturing expenses. So here raw material consumed is 60, manufacturing expenses is 10, and then last point would be nothing but admin expenses. See, we have appreciated here admin expenses. So what would be the admin expenses? Admin expenses is under operating expenses, it is admin expenses. So admin expenses here is 5, so we will write down as here as 5, so it comes down to 75. Okay, up till now it is clear. Now this ratio we have calculated. Now next ratio we need to calculate is, see, here it is given sales and here it is given net sales return. Okay, now in the beginning we have understood that operating cost is compared with net sales. Operating cost को हम लोग net sales के साथ compare करते थे. So we can say here that we need to calculate the net sales. So net sales would be sales minus sales return. So 100 minus 10, it would come down to 90. Okay, यहाँ तक clear है? Take a pause and then repeat the video if you are not clear. I'm sure you will get clear. Okay, now next point is we need to calculate the operating ratio. So we can calculate the operating ratio as see, we need to calculate the operating ratio as operating ratio is nothing but ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट, जो हमारा ऑपरेशन में कॉस्ट लगा है, ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट बाय व्हाट वाज इट विथ कंपेयर्ड विथ नेट सेल्स. करेक्ट, बाय नेट सेल्स into 100. So this is the formula for operating ratio. So it would come down to see, operating ratio is equals to operating cost. तो operating cost हमारा कितना निकला था? 75. So for 75 divided by net sales कितना है? 90. 90 into 100. Okay, so when you calculate this, you will get it as 83%. So this is the operating cost for this entity, that is 83%. So I guess you got a brief idea of how to calculate the operating ratio. Please do, if you are not clear, please, I request you to please do watch this video again, so your concept of operating ratio gets clear. Now let me tell you that to understand the concept of MSME in depth, you need to understand each and every concept of MSME very minutely. So that's why we are understanding all these concepts very minutely with every concept behind them. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like my initiative, अगर आपको यह initiative मेरा अच्छा लगता है तो then please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Also, do not hesitate to share this video in other groups. Thank you for watching the video and take good care of yourself.